Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the rebranding of Trans Jamaica Highway. Now, Highway 2000 East-West has been renamed Trans Jam Highways. So there are two highways, Highway 2000 East-West. That is the toll road that goes from Kingston to Portmore and Kingston to Maypen. So that road has been renamed, or that has been renamed Trans Jam Highways. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Our new brand identity, Highway 2000 East-West is now Trans Jam Highways. Our new brand identity includes a new vision of building a legacy of excellence that inspires and empowers our customers and stakeholders. Simply put, our customers and stakeholders are at the center of everything we do. Our internal systems, ranging from our back-end technological infrastructure to our front-facing customer experience programs, are all being modified to ensure we exceed that which is expected of us. We are in it to improve not just the literal commute for Jamaican motorists through quick and comfortable access to their destinations, but also to enhance their figurative journey in life. Through our involvement in the communities in which we operate, our environmentally conscious operations, the value created for our stakeholders, and more. We are in it for your journey, for your best journey. Highway 2000 East-West is now Trans Jam Highways for your best journey. Alright, so they have rebranded the toll plazas as Trans Jam Highways now. So, guys, let us know what you think. Some time ago, we had participated in a survey. I think we did a video on it about changing the name. And the company is a publicly traded company, and they are trying to get more brand awareness, I guess. So it's now called Trans Jam Highways. So guys, let us know what you think of the name. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and as we get more information on this, we will let you know. Because there is one question that they haven't addressed. Now, Highway 2000 East-West leg was renamed the PJ Patterson Highway. And now they're saying the highway is rebranded Trans Jam Highway. So, is it no longer the PJ Patterson Highway? And if so, it was never stated where the PJ Patterson Highway ended, because the highway from Maypen to Mandeville is not known as the PJ Patterson Highway. It was never branded or opened as the PJ Patterson Highway. So when it comes on to this, we have a few more questions. So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. We'll keep investigating what's going on and keep you guys updated. But if anybody has any information, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.